that going to be southbound. No, it's one from Silver Spring. One is going to be 100 Sierra V, one for a shooting. Traffic, I can tell you what to say. Traffic's light.
Traffic's light. It's basically 60. Still going southbound. Past this custom. Yeah, traffic lights about 70 going southbound. Looks like he's gonna be coming to a stop.
He crashed.
We're gonna be at 52nd and Hampton. Two black males running.
Gun!
Looks like he's gonna be coming to a stop. Crash. We're gonna be at 52nd and Hampton. Two black males running.
Gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! I'm gonna shoot you if you don't drop it! Drop the gun! Drop the fucking gun! You're gonna get shot! Drop the gun! Drop the fucking gun! Turn around!
Back here!
Oh my God.
Keep your hands up! Do not reach for anything!
Dude, I don't have
Turn around!
Sir.
Come back here and walk backwards.
I don't have no gun.
Don't reach for your waist!
For anything!
I ain't got no.
Walk that way. Walk that way to the left.
Okay. He shot.
And 2351, can you please get medical to our location?
Turn around now.
It's gonna be a black male, unknown condition right now, shot numerous times. Sir, can you hear me?
Can I get the second guy right now? 714, we're getting a lot of questions now. One is on campus. You guys will secure the suspect vehicle on the property. Go! 2430. Put Officer Henry on the vehicle.
We got a firearm recovered.
10-4.
Turn over, man. Turn over. Turn over.
That's a negative. Both officers in Milwaukee. Okay.
I got a med pack over there.
Someone get the med pack. Oh, you got one?
I had a med pack over there.
Here's some gauze.
Where's he?